Hey everyone, today we're touring the Dillon floor plan by Chesmar Homes in the incredible Meridiana community just south of Houston. If you're looking for modern design, energy efficiency, and thoughtful layouts, you're going to love this home. Let's jump right in. Meridiana is just 30 minutes from downtown Houston with easy access to major highways. It's zoned to Alvin ISD with Meridiana Elementary located right inside the neighborhood. Plus, new middle and high schools are on the way. Chesmar is known for their high-quality craftsmanship and innovative designs. The Dillon floor plan is a stunning two-story home with 1,910 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a 2-car garage. Starting at $339,990, this home is perfect for anyone who wants style, space, and without breaking the bank. This kitchen is a showstopper. It features a large center island, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and beautiful custom cabinetry. It's designed for both everyday living and entertainment. This model includes optional upgrades like extended island, pendant lighting, and wood-like flooring, but Chesmar offers plenty of great standard features as well. The primary suite offers a spacious retreat with high ceilings and plenty of natural light. The in-suite bathroom features a walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a huge walk-in closet that's perfect for organizing your wardrobe. Plus 3 additional bedrooms, each with ample closet space and 2 full bathrooms designed for convenience. Now let's step outside. This home features a covered patio that's perfect for grilling or relaxing, plus a yard large enough for a garden, play area, or even a pool. Living in the Meridian means access to incredible amenities, including a resort-style pool, Adventurers Cove water park, a fitness center, scenic walking trails, and even an on-site restaurant. It's a community designed for connection and convenience. If you're ready to explore the Dillon floor plan by Chesmar Homes or want to learn more about living in Meridiana, reach out to us today. We'd love to help you find your dream home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for updates on the best homes and communities in Texas. Have a question? Drop them below. And don't forget, my name is Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate.